हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल उपेक्षा जीके क्लासेस। आज मैं आपको 27 मई 2025 के स्पीडी टॉप 20 इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस कराने वाली हूँ, जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट और हेल्पफुल होने वाला है। तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। Question 1. Which country was admitted as a new member of the New Development Bank (NDB) in May 2025? Correct answer option B. Algeria. Question 2. Who chaired the 10th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog held at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi? Correct answer option C. Narendra Modi. Question 3. Peacetime Gallantry Awards, Kirti Chakra, Shaurya Chakra, etc. were presented at Rashtrapati Bhavan by. Correct answer option B. Draupadi Murmu. Question 4. The Rising Northeast Investors Summit 2025 at Bharat Mandapam was inaugurated by. Correct answer option C. Narendra Modi. Question 5. The 134th Indian Oil Durand Cup will run from 22 July 2025 and be hosted across dash Indian states. Correct answer option C5. Question 6. Nagarhole Tiger Reserve in Karnataka was in the news for launching a 3-day census of. Correct answer option C. Elephants. Question 7. Senior Advocate Des was re-elected President of the Supreme Court Bar Council in May 2025. Correct answer option B. Vikas Singh. Question 8. Which club won the 2025 UEFA Europa League title after defeating Manchester United 1-0? Correct answer option B. Tottenham Hotspur. Question 9. Des became the 37th Test captain of the Indian men's cricket team. Correct answer option C. Shubham Gill. Question 10. Uttarakhand's first dedicated cycad garden has been set up in. Correct answer option B. Haldwani. Question 11. Wings India 2026, Asia's premier civil aviation show, will be hosted in which city? Correct answer option C. Hyderabad. Question 12. Indonesia's Dash won the talent competition final at Miss World 2025 in Hyderabad. Correct answer option B. Monica Kezia Sembring. Question 13. Which national team clinched the inaugural FIFA Youth Series title during World Football Week 2025? Correct answer option B. Paraguay. Question 14. The Bihar cabinet approved renaming Gaya city to. Correct answer option B. Gayaji. Question 15. The Rahavir Yojana rewarding good Samaritans who rush road accident victims to hospital was launched in which state? Correct answer option B. Madhya Pradesh. Question 16. LIC entered the Guinness World Records by selling dash life insurance policies in 24 hours on 20 Jan 2025. Correct answer option C. 5,88,107. Question 17. Quick Pay Quick Touch Technologies received DAS from the RBI to operate as a payment aggregator. Correct answer option B, in principle approval. Question 18. Jaipur-based GatePay became the first company from Rajasthan to secure DAS from the RBI in May 2025. Correct answer option C, final payment aggregator authorization. Question 19. Iranian filmmaker Safar Panahi won the Palme d'Or at Cannes 2025 for his film. Correct answer option C, it was just an accident. Question 20. Indian driver Dash made history as the first Indian to win a Formula 2 race, triumphing at the Monaco Sprint. Correct answer option B, Kushmani.